Welcome back, guys. It's Olusola Daniel again, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to create a domain email address. Let's delve right into it. Now I'll be picking it up from the web hosting homepage, which is 𝗏𝗏𝗡. Now this is the homepage for those of you that bought your domain name and hosting through 𝗏𝗏𝗡. Now the first thing we want to do now is to confirm the SSL that it has been activated. Now you go to services, click on services this way. Now once it opens up, you want to click on manage, as you can even see it here. Now let's scroll down to confirm. Okay, as you can see it, SSL status valid, SSL detected. So like I was trying to show you the other time, let me just go back. You can also see it here. As you can see, this was initially red, a red padlock. Now the red padlock has turned to green, showing us that the SSL has been activated on this site. So SSL means secure socket layer. It's like a protection on your websites. I've said that before, just to reiterate. So guys, we are going straight to the cPanel, and from here you click on manage. Now from manage you scroll down to one-click login, then you want to click on cPanel. It opens your cPanel in another tab. Now once you get here, guys, what you want to do now is to search for email accounts. You can type in email account, but we can't find it here, so it's at arm's length, but you can still type in email account for those using Namecheap or any other hosting company. So just find your way down to your cPanel and type in email accounts here. So once you are able to find it, then you want to open the email accounts. Now you should see the email created for you by default. That's by your hosting company. In this case, this is the email address, the domain email address created by default for me. Now what I want to do now is I want to create another email address, a domain email address. Now you can notice I kept emphasizing on domain email address because it's going to have at yourdomain.com. That's like sales@yourdomain.com. So that's a domain email address. Now you want to come here, click on create. Now particularly I'll be creating for admin, then it's going to be admin@𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 So this is the username. It can be sales, you understand, sales@𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 @dsmartworld.com.ng. It can be info, it can be help, it can be whatsoever domain email address you want to create. As you can see, it says 50 available here. That means you are only given the privilege to create 50 domain email addresses. But in this case, like I said, I'll be creating for admin alone. Now, once you type in the username here, then you want to scroll down to password. You can decide to have the login sent to your email address. That's the password and the username. But in this case, we want to create the password here ourselves. So you type in the password you want to use. Make sure it's a combination of alphabets, numbers, and signs. That's alphanumerics. So I'll be typing in my password here. So guys, as you can see, it shows green lines here. This indicates that the password I entered is strong. So make sure yours as well is showing these green lines, indicating that the password is strong enough. As you can see, it says this password has a strength of 100, which meets or exceeds the system requirement of 65. I hope you can see that. But make sure you are not forgetting your password. Now click on create. Okay, now guys, as you can see, it says success. You created admin at @dsmartworld.com.ng. Come down here and click on check email. it says open my inbox when I log in. Yeah, always open with round cube. Now you click on open. So now we are here. As you can see, guys, we've received our first email, which is a notification that we just created an email and a domain email address. So guys, that is that about that. Now I also want to chip in that the major purpose for creating this domain email address is to be able to use this email address, admin@owthissmartworld.com, as our admin email address when installing our WordPress scripts, so that every email we need to get from WordPress would come directly into this admin@owthissmartworld.com.ng. I hope you guys get that now. So that's the main reason for creating this new domain email address. So guys, I think with that we've been able to achieve the purpose of this video. So guys, I hope this helps you create a domain email address for your business. I remain Olusola Daniel, guys. Make sure you are always having a wonderful time. Bye for now.